Welcome back, everybody. Thank you. I missed you too. Welcome back, everybody. Are you ready to do some imaging? Let's go. So here we are in the sequencer again, and I'm starting with the first step. I got my imager open and I'm soloing the upper bands. If I don't solo the upper bands, I will get a false reading because the lower band is in mono, and combined the sound will appear more mono-ish than it really is. With this sound it's very obvious it's out of phase. There's a lot of red there. So I'm pulling back on the imager to get it back in phase. When it's good, then I'm turning on the lower bands again, and then it's perfect. And with this bassy riser it's the same thing. It's right on the edge of being out of phase. But as soon as I turn on the lower bands, it's back in mono again. With this sound it's the same thing. You can see that it's very much out of phase. So I'm pulling back on the imager to get it back into phase, and when it's back into phase I turn on the lower bands again. With this sound it's the other way around. First I check if everything is okay, because it's not out of phase or nothing. So I'm soloing the upper bands and making it even wider. Another perfect example. Did you see what happened? In the beginning the sound was in phase until I turned off the lower bands. Then only the upper bands was playing and it was out of phase. So now I'm turning down the imager to bring the upper bands back in phase, and when it is back in phase I turn on the lower bands again. So now I'm just going to repeat the steps with all the other leads and synths. This technique with this imager is a very good way to mix. Let's say you're stacking two sounds. Now you can easily choose which sound you want mono and which sound you want stereo, or vice versa. This is very important. Keep checking your instruments to see if there are no effects on that give you phasing issues. Okay, so that's it for today. Next time I'm going to do some cleaning EQ, so I hope to see you there. Peace out!